All right, guys, so I'm the guy that made those turn signal mirrors, and this is the beautiful Bronco they're going to be going into. And the truck's out here in McAllen, Texas. I live in Austin, so I drove down here to my cousin's house and put these in tonight. And here's the demonstration. I think this is obviously it's a 96 F-150. I mean, F-150, it's Bronco. Holy shit. There it is. This is fucking awesome. Excuse my French. I'm just really excited for this. Okay, let's go to the other side. Wow, this came out awesome.